Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best day trading applications. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Day trading can simply be defined as a strategy where traders buy and sell financial instruments in a short period of time, normally within a day. Traders who use this strategy are not bothered by whether the overall market moves either up or down, but focus on the volatility experienced within the market by buying instruments when they dip and selling them when they rise in value. Traders who are searching for some of the best day trading applications can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best day trading applications. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is an online financial broker that was founded in 1978 and is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Interactive Brokers offers sophisticated trading technology and specializes in trading through stocks, options, futures, Forex, precious metals, bonds, and more. Platforms are available on Interactive Brokers' client portal web application, their very own trader workstation platform, IBKR mobile application with featured APIs, and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Interactive Brokers offers a wide variety of account options to suit the needs of any trader, from individual, joint, and family accounts to small business accounts, advisors accounts, and more. Interactive Brokers also features their very own Traders Academy, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading courses, a Traders Insight panel, a variety of short educational videos, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, and more if you are looking for any additional education with Interactive Brokers. At number 4 on our list is Plus 500. Plus 500 is a popular online trading broker which has been in operation since 2008 and has multiple regulations in various jurisdictions, and offers sophisticated online trading services to an array of traders from multiple countries around the world. With Plus 500, traders have access to over 2,000 financial instruments, including Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Plus 500 features an advanced, user-friendly, and reliable trading platform using the competitive trading conditions offered, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Plus 500 features a demo account and one live trading account, which was specifically designed to cater to various levels of trading for beginners and professionals alike, regardless of their trading needs, objectives, or trading experience, to ensure that traders have a dynamic and secure trading environment. Plus 500 also provides their very own educational panel, which delves into various beginner trading topics, an economic calendar, a variety of risk management tools, as well as a trader's guide, which covers a variety of popular trading strategies and guides to help you with any additional education that you might be looking for. Coming in at number 3, we have Robinhood. Robinhood has become a dominating force in the field by offering commission-free trades, in addition to the ability to trade options, cryptocurrencies, and numerous other instruments. The platform provides traders and investors alike with numerous options right from the palm of their hand through an innovative, user-friendly mobile application. It is a tech-based startup that has placed a lot of focus on changing the investing game by offering clients the ability to trade both options and cryptocurrencies without having to pay commissions. This has been the #1 drawing force towards it. However, there are some drawbacks. The commission-free nature of cryptocurrency is limited, and all account types are subjected to tax. To gain access to low-priced margin trading, clients should apply for Robinhood Gold. At number 2 on our list is E-Trade. E-Trade is a well-regulated bank, market maker broker, and exchange that was established in 1982, with strict regulations through FINRA and the NFA. As a leading US broker, E-Trade offers a wide variety of instruments and tradable products through powerful trading platforms, such as Forex, commodities, indices, precious metals, energies, and more. Featured platforms are available on the E-Trade trading platform, as well as Power E-Trade and the E-Trade mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on individual, joint, business, and retail brokerage accounts. E-Trade provides a variety of educational insights, which delve into topics such as the basics of investing, planning for your retirement, tax planning, and more. They also provide a variety of online webinars and events, as well as updated market news for you to browse through anytime you like if you are searching for any additional educational content with E-Trade. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best day trading applications, we have TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade is an all-in-one, multi-purpose American forex and stock broker that was founded in 1975, specializing in a wide range of stocks, forex pairs, bonds, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, options, and futures. Platforms are available on the classic web platform, the next-generation web platform, the TD Ameritrade mobile application, or the Think or Swim platforms, which are all supported on desktop, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. With TD Ameritrade, you can open standard trading accounts, retirement accounts, education accounts, business accounts, and margin trading accounts. No minimum deposit is required to open any of these standard accounts, and they provide individual trusts and pension plans, and business partnership or sole proprietorship plans. TD Ameritrade provides educational resources on how to learn and manage your personal finances, how to invest, as well as how to plan and save for your retirement. There are plenty of videos and articles that you can use to learn the basics of investing, and they offer goal-based trading courses that will give you a foundational understanding of fundamental and technical analysis, trading different instruments, and setting up your retirement portfolio. They also provide updated market news with dozens of how-to guides, and you will have access to third-party research, market data, and financial news. and those are some of the top 5 best day trading applications on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.